everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you on how to add a background to your Simplebooklet. So to start, you'll want to open up your Simplebooklet through the Design tab, right here. When your file has been opened, you'll want to head to the left side on the toolbar and click Background. The first option you have as a background is one single solid color. But we have many more options, such as monochromatic patterned backgrounds. We even have a direct search engine to Unsplash, so you can search for your own royalty-free images to add. Patterned desktop backgrounds. Animated backgrounds. And the ability to upload your own image. And I'll demonstrate that right now. So what you'll want to do is click Upload, where you'll be directed to your image. Click on your image, click Open, and click Add to Library, where this image will now be available to use as a background for any Simplebooklet that you want. Though, please keep in mind that Simplebooklet does not accept files over 500 kilobytes. Now, to add your background, you click on your uploaded image and you click Done. Now, let's go see how our microsite looks with a background. Open. So, this is how your Simplebooklet should now look with a background. Backgrounds are an extremely easy way for you to get your Simplebooklet to stand out more against its own microsite. So, thanks for listening, guys.